If planning a Disney day feels more complicated than it needs to be, you're not alone, and I've got the perfect method for you. Today I'm breaking down my favorite way to plan a Disney park day without feeling overwhelmed, the Disney 3-2-1 planning rule. It's simple, flexible, and helps you actually enjoy your trip without sprinting through it. What is the Disney 3-2-1 planning rule? The Disney 3-2-1 rule is a planning strategy designed to reduce being overwhelmed by focusing on just a few priorities per park per day. Here's how it works. 3 must-do rides, 2 entertainment experiences like shows, characters, or fireworks, 1 planned meal or snack. And that's it. This method works especially well at Walt Disney World, where trying to do everything is usually the fastest way to burn out. Step 1. Choose your 3 must-do rides. These are the rides that make you book the trip in the first place. Ask yourself, if I leave the park without riding this ride, will I be disappointed? And what are the can't-miss attractions for my group? Your 3 must-do rides are what you plan your day around, whether that's rope drop, lightning lane, or early arrival. Here's some examples. Seven Dwarf Mine Train, Space Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain. Once these 3 are done, everything else is a bonus. Step 2. Pick 2 entertainment experiences. This is where a lot of people forget to plan and then regret it later. Entertainment can include shows, character meet and greets, parades, fireworks. Some examples of what fit in this category: Festival of the Fantasy Parade, Meeting Mickey, Happily Ever After fireworks. By choosing just 2, you avoid the stress of show hopping all day while still making space for the magic that isn't a ride. Step 3. Plan 1 meal or snack. This is a big step for reducing stress and not wasting time. Instead of constantly asking what we're eating, you plan 1 intentional food moment. A table service meal, a quick service favorite, a must-try snack. Here are some examples. A character breakfast, a flatbread pizza at Pinocchio's Village House, a Dole Whip break in the afternoon. Everything else can be flexible, but this guarantees at least 1 calm, planned reset in your day. For table service meals, don't forget, you can make your dining reservations 60 days in advance, starting at 6 a.m. Eastern Time for Disney World and 6 a.m. Pacific Time for Disneyland. Here's why this method is so effective. It sets realistic expectations, it keeps your day flexible, it works with or without lightning lane, and it prevents burnout and decision fatigue. You're not trying to conquer the park, you're prioritizing what matters most to you. Here's an example day at Magic Kingdom using the 3-2-1 rule. Start with your 3 must-do rides: Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, Pirates of the Caribbean, and Big Thunder Mountain. Then we'll pick 2 entertainment experiences: Festival of the Fantasy Parade and Happily Ever After. And then we'll plan 1 meal or snack. We'll do lunch at Columbia Harbor House. That's your plan, and you can fill in the time between those experiences with whatever rides and shows you want to do. If Disney planning has felt overwhelming, the 3-2-1 rule gives you permission to slow down, be present, and still hit your top Disney priorities. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe for more Disney tips, and let me know in the comments below what would be your 3 top rides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the parks.